Channel name, 20bike ***. #### intro. Welcome to 20bike, where we rev into the future of two-wheel innovation. Today, we're diving into Honda's latest motorcycle lineup, packed with cutting-edge technology and bold designs. From electric pioneers to adrenaline-pumping classics, Honda is redefining what it means to ride in 2025. Let's explore the machines that are setting the streets and trails on fire. #Electric Revolution, Honda CUV E***. Honda's vision for a sustainable future takes center stage with the new Honda CUV E***, an electric motorcycle blending modern aesthetics with smart functionality. Featuring LED lighting, a sleek TFT dashboard, 7-inch for connectivity edition, and practical perks like reverse assist, it's built for urban agility. With 3 riding modes, Sport, Economy, Standard, it hits top speeds of 83 km/h and offers over 70 km per charge. Available in 2 versions, Standard and Connectivity. And colors like matte gunpowder black metallic, it's a glimpse into Honda's eco-friendly ambitions. #Flagship Performance, Forza 750 and CB1000RR-R SP. For power enthusiasts, the new Honda Forza 750 boasts a 750 cubic centimeters OHC 4-valve twin-cylinder engine, dual-clutch transmission, DCT, and a 5-inch TFT screen with Honda RoadSync integration. Its 4 riding modes, Standard, Rain, User, Sport, and Cruise Control ensure versatility, while the aggressive LED headlights and adjustable windscreen highlight its touring prowess. Meanwhile, the CB1000RR-R SP Super Naked bike packs a 1000 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, Alene suspension, Brembo brakes, and 5 riding modes. Its matte ballistic black finish and premium tech make it a brute with brains. #Style meets innovation, CL300, Rebel 300, and ADV 350. Honda's 300 cubic centimeters series gets a tech upgrade with e-clutch technology, enabling clutch-free shifting for smoother rides. The Scrambler-style CL300 and bobber-inspired Rebel 300 combine classic aesthetics with modern convenience. The ADV 350 SUV bike also returns with a 5-inch TFT display, Honda RoadSync, and multi-function controls, offering both rugged capability and urban refinement. #Limited editions and lifestyle icons. Honda celebrates individuality with exclusive models like the Scoopy X Kuromi Limited Edition, featuring themed graphics, a numbered badge, and matching accessories. The Monkey Chrome Legacy honors Honda's 60th anniversary with chrome plating and retro badges. For daily commutes, the Lead 125 Special Edition adds a matte gray finish and sporty LED accents, proving style isn't just for the open road. #Closing. Honda's 2025 lineup is a testament to innovation, offering something for every rider, whether you're chasing electric thrills, raw power, or timeless style. Don't forget to like and subscribe to 20bike for more updates on the world of motorcycles. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a ride. This script integrates Key Day.